we gotta push it because we got no bells yet. We do it now, we can do it from underneath. If not, 2 bolts, we got the gas tank out. It ain't no worries. That's safer. Till we get the cover right. So let's see. Safety. Safety works. The song of our people. I hate these things anyway in the garage. For us, it only works in the you know, when you're not working on it. Yeah, remember that amp meter is powered, so without a cover, I grounded it. Yeah, typical. I got juice. Yeah, look. The rolling chassis, man. Oh yeah, the hood will fit now. Yep. There you go. Nope. Does remember?
Well, so I gotta go and stop with it.
Yeah. Let's feel it. Now let go. There you go. Sweet. And my shutoff works. Yep. Got gas in the line. New fuel line.
You see this stuff? What's going on?
We'll just close it gentle. There you go.
Yeah,
Hey, look, it's a tractor again, almost. All right. I was just filming it so the guy